Livescope has its own room. Let's go in. All right, guys, it's raining. I'm out here at the boat. Built this shelter for my camper. Did my ADHD, kicked in and sent it to the mountains so I could go fishing up there. Let me show you this Livescope holder. There it is. Voila. Basically off of Amazon, like 20 bucks maybe. And you can see how this thing works. Spins right over. Every once in a while, might scrape the boat because I have this piece right here too low. It spins, but hey, it works, and it works great for the Livescope. So basically, it's just, and I didn't want to really carry my Livescope out here because it's raining today and it's cold and wet, and I didn't want to get it wet. I'm about to show you. I have a whole room in my house for my Livescope. I love it. Anyways, let's put the pipe in right here, ratchet it down, and it's good to go. And then I can spin it. It's right here on the front of the boat. You see it on the front, and works great. Let's go in and I'll show you the pipe and the setup and the build I have on the Livescope. All right, you've seen these all over YouTube, made out of PVC, pretty easy. I had the Eagle Eye 9 on the same pole, so I did end up cutting this down. I haven't put a end on there, no worries. In short, this is really what it is. 1-inch PVC going into, I believe, what is 1/4, goes inside. This clamp helps tighten it down. I did put this on it just to be safe. You can see the Livescope here on the end, Amazon cover, no problem. And you can see this mounts on there. Really easy, just right on top of the cap. I've got Velcro straps. I don't really Velcro it till I get to the middle. I leave that wire freelance. I don't want to take the chance that I get in trouble. But you can see, turns really easy. Tape down inside here to about right here, and it just helps me turn it, and it doesn't move while I'm on the water or the wind blowing, and just helps it move. Extra strap. That is. All right, I got my box open. I'll show you how I have everything mounted. Got the battery in here, and I got gator clips. Guys, I'm not telling you that's the best. I'm not telling you that's the way you should go. I'm just telling you what I had and what I did. It's on a fuse. Black box is in here. Here's how I mounted the black box. Just ran screws. You see a screw here, and then bolted inside. And that's the only, I didn't bolt the bottom. I haven't had to. These ammo boxes on YouTube, easy to mount. Black box, easy to mount. We drilled 2 holes, one there for the transducer, and then one there to come up to the unit itself. I just didn't want all the wires running in the same place. There you see where I've got the wood mounted, and then also the Scotty mount. I'll show you that here in a minute. All right, there you go. I know the light's in the, you can see it does get skin up a little bit. It's never out into the rain. I'm not really fishing a lot out in the rain. Might get wet if it starts raining while I'm out there. This is an ammo box off of Amazon. Really easy. Took 3/4 inch piece of plywood, painted it black, put it on top, mounted it. You saw the screws, put the Scotty mount on, and when I get to the lake, all I do is before I take the boat off, hook the battery up, and then raise the Scotty mount. And then when we move, sometimes we leave it up, and sometimes we don't. And you can adjust that how you want to. I got a buddy that's a millionaire, and he just bought a new Phoenix boat. And if I go see him, I might mount a kayak mount for my PVC down there, and that gets me mounted. You saw the bite holder, and that's the way I've got it set up. Who's that guy? Watch out. Never mind. Listen, hey, if you're like me and you're trying to save a couple bucks, man, the Echo Mat 106 SV is not cheap, not at all. But what I did is got it with my Bass Pro card. That saved me. Got double the points. They were running a promotion back in March. They got me double the points, and I got about $300 worth of points, and then saved 10% during the sale, which ended up getting me that thing right up below, saved about $500 on it. So if you're looking for it, consider that. Hey, do me a favor. I told you how I do it. I'm going to show you even more info. If you want to see more info, how about like, comment, subscribe? Be nice. If you ain't got anything nice to say, take a nap.